Thank you for putting that back. Okay. Huh? Okay. Now, normally, what I want you to convert this. Okay. For your quiz, because we're learning to create line plots, because it's still a new thing, because we're not quite masters of this yet. For your quiz, I will be okay if you come back, if this was a quiz question, and you give me an answer of 4 and 28 over 8. Now, knowing this, going forward, you need to convert that. So you would have to tell me, how many times is 8 going to 28 without going over? Somebody do that. Olivia. Because 8 times 3 is, right? So, that is because we're going to add that 3 to our whole number, and then, but what's left over? What's our remainder? Because 8 goes into 20, it can't go into 28, it goes 4 times, or because 8 times 4 is 32. So if 8 times 3 is 24, what's 28 minus 24, Athena? So it's for our new numerator. So then you would have the sum of 3 plus 4 as your new whole number and 4/8 as your new fraction. What is 3 plus 4, Justin? So, come Friday, your response to a question just like that should be either 4 and 28 over 8 or 7 and 4/8. I don't care if you convert it or not, just do it correctly. Got it good? That is a lot of work. That's why I'm not going to stress for you to convert. Marco, I'm going to trust that you are working on this very kind of math right now with Tavin. But we both know you're probably not. Whose grade is this? Yours or mine? Right? So, decide what kind of grade you want. This and that decision involves either paying attention or doing what you're doing. You decide. Mila, you had your hand up for a second. Yes, we make a review patient. About adding fractions. I strongly request you do the whole numbers first. If that is not your jam and you must do the fractions first, do your thing. I've noticed students in the past will do the fraction first, and because the amount of steps that it takes to potentially have to convert 28 over 8, they dismiss the whole number and they forget to do that. They will dismiss it and give me 3 and 4 over 8, so 4/8, instead of 7 and 4/8, because they forgot to add the 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Does that make sense, guys?
Yeah.
So, a lot going on up there. My penmanship sucks. But make sure we understand what's being asked of us. I'm going to be very clear with the quiz on Friday. What's being asked of you? I'm going to put up the cube system up here, right? Mr. Jason. After you help me out with this. I need help with this. Can you help me out, or do you must go write me in? Okay. So we're moving on to page 470. So you're going to be given a line plot that looks identical to this. How it's structured. Black, bless you. Bless you. Okay. The difference is, guys, there's going to be times, guys, where you got to fill in the blank. Your last question on your quiz will be something like this, where you are provided, in this case, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forms of measurement, units of measurement, and this one they are using inches. You have 5 measurements using inches. You need to not only identify and label this line plot using X's, but you must fill in the appropriate spots. Now, in your book, it does not have these removed. Up here it does. I'm showing you this right now so you understand what you will see come Friday. You will literally see a line plot that looks just like this with missing measurements. You must not only label those missing spots, but then fill in the line plot, provide X's. Does that make sense? Brooklyn. Is it an emergency? Okay. Jason, is there 2 1/2 on this line plot? Okay, I need you to put an X where 2 1/2 is, with an X above it. Mentally. There you go, nice job. Did you do it correct, class? Yeah. What I would suggest you do, guys, it's easy to do this, right? How many units of measurement up here? By raising your hand, though, please go count all you want. Let's check. At 6, LOL. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you probably missed a 3. You're going to see that on the quiz, where there's a bunch of fractions, and in the middle, they throw just a whole number. Make sure we account for that. So you were darn close. Good job. So we have, wouldn't be a bad idea to do this class, where you literally write down how many X's you should have on that line plot that you helped me create for your quiz on Friday. Are you guys really done over there, Kylie and Cooper? We done? Cool. Okay. Good job, Justin. Go to the back. Or Jason. 2 1/4. Do I have 2 1/4 up here? Do I? Where does it go, Emma? Where does 2 1/4 go? You can cheat and look in your book, or you can look up here and try to solve it as if this was your quiz. Why is it right here? Now, I'm going to explain to you. 1/2, 1/4. Which one is a bigger amount? 1/2 or 1/4? Good job. 1/4 is literally a half of 1/2.
I'm ancient.
Right? So make sure we're mindful of that. So then, after you discover where 2 1/4 is, put the X. And then you can cross it out if you want. Do I have 3 1/2 up here? Olivia, can you put up 3 1/2 for me, please? And then label it? And then you would do the next one for me? Thanks. You guys are doing great.
Is this still on?
You had to be the thing. Okay, so you found the correct spot where 3 1/2 would go. You did forget to label it, but that's okay. So, good job. Now, 2 3/4. Whoa!
My turn.
Yeah, come on up. Now, I'm going to count something really quick. Let me go up. You're going to label where this number should go, and then put the X up top on the line. So where should 2 3/4 go? Yes, absolutely. Yes, good job. Now, it's imperative, if you don't understand this, you listen. Why does she get this right, that 2 3/4? It's because she went from 2, knowing there's 1, 2, 3, 4 indicators in between 2 and 3. She just counted 1, 2, 3. And then 2 3/4 is right there. Great job. Okay, hold on, look here. Show me where 3 is. 3. Yes. How about 2 1/2? Come up here and show me where 2 1/2 is. Did that right? Okay, I'm gonna put my answer in red. Yes. 2 1/2. Go and 3. Somebody tell me how many X's I have up here by raising your hand. You bet. How many X's did I put up here?
Like all together.
Correct.
8. I'm sorry.
When I am back. Okay, is it 100% correct? First person to show me where I made the mistake until I ran. Okay, I gotta believe. You know what? Let's go random. For some of you, I don't think you know yet. Just raise your hand to try and get it. Michael, do you know what the mistake is? And now, in order to purposefully. Okay, come up here and show me. In circle the mistake. Circle the X that's in the wrong spot. Correct. Good job, man. A little bit. Nice job. Why is that particular X in the wrong spot, Michael? Please explain. Where should it be? Very good. We don't have enough in 2 1/2. Why is that? Because look, I've got 1, 2, 3. So there should be 3 X's in 2 1/2. That is a simple mistake that can easily happen because we're rushing. We're almost done. I'm on the last problem. I'm almost done. It happens. In math, if you rush, you're going to get more wrong. Several of you could get way higher math scores if you slow down just a little bit. Morgan, what's up? Can it wait? Is this regarding this lesson right now? Or can it wait? Is it about this lesson? Thank you for being honest. You bet. I want to hear you want to share, but we just got to pick the right time. What's up, you bet?
It's supposed to be 3 X's above just the 3.
Well, it's how many?
Yes.
There is 2 3s in this 8. How many do I have?
Oopsies.
Right? Okay, good job. That is how you create a line graph. And guys, you're going to be given a line plot that's organized like that, not like this, like mine. But with missing measurements, missing data, and it will give you the opportunity to put those. Okay. Now, take a couple minutes. There is an incorrect response, number 8. Where is it? You're going to do it on your book, fix it, and I'm going to go on a random friend to come up here and show us by circling the air and putting where the actual X belongs. These are not correct responses. Not what it is. No, this part is simple, yes. Like I said, you guys, in my opinion, the hardest part of this whole lesson is being able to create the line plot. Actually creating it. Reading it, right? I think we got the math part down. It's creating. But if you got 2 more seconds, and I'm almost it. If you know it, keep it to yourself. Good job. I love it. This is why we're doing this. If you know this part, you're going to do much better on the quiz than you think you are. The lengths and feet of some pieces of wood are shown below. Fix the line plot. So read the